Hi, I'm Norm Hamilton. I've been asked to share my methods for cooking in the amazing Ninja Foodi, so today I'll get you to follow along as I try out a new method. Well, it's a new method to me for roasting beef. Today we're going to roast a 2 kilogram sirloin tip roast. That's about 4.4 pounds for those of you who don't use metric. I'm using a sirloin tip because it's more affordable than most other cuts. And I think that's a pretty wise choice, don't you? The method I'm trying today is intended to take what could be a relatively tough cut and roast it to full tenderness and flavor. Hey, it never hurts to try out something new, right? Okay, so on with roasting. Oh, but first a little request. If you're watching this on YouTube, please leave a comment and hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and then click the bell to see more videos as I upload them. there you have it. Well done, but still tender and flavorful. As I said at the beginning, this roast was approximately 2 kilograms or 4.4 pounds. I broiled it for 20 minutes, then, without lifting the lid, now that's important, I roasted for 85 minutes at 325 degrees, or 163 degrees centigrade. Then I let it rest for 10 minutes. I'm pleased with the results, but next time I'd maybe try broiling for perhaps 15 minutes instead of 20, and roasting for a little less time as well, maybe 15 minutes a pound. Then I'd check internal temperature, looking for 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 76.7 centigrade. Well, thanks for watching, and if you're watching on YouTube, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel, and then click the bell to see more videos as I upload them. And for now, stay safe, enjoy your day, wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.